If you have any questions, I will still be here. Um, Again, you can reach out to me on Instagram, Facebook. Everything should be in the chat, but it's at Shiana Kalila. Again, you can always text me 201-903-5462.
Excellent. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Well, this
No
is
problem.
actually Shiana's this is Shiana's show, but I'm so used to hosting and talking and podcasting. But this is definitely she is the host of this, so please definitely reach out. Just real quick, I'm just going to give you a quick background about who I am and our relationship and how we connected as I'm preparing my screen, okay? But so yeah, Shiana and I are actually referral partners. She refers people over to me to fix credit, her client's credit, and then I am to send them over to her so they can get pre-approved. So that's basically our connection. She's an amazing mortgage lender. Her and I, we vetted each other in the beginning. So she asked me some questions. I asked her some questions. I just don't do business with just anyone, and clearly she doesn't either, which is amazing, which is great.